Hey guys, welcome to this tutorial where we'll explain how you can integrate Trello with Discord. Let's jump right into it. First, go to www.make.com, a powerful platform that helps you automate workflows across different apps like Trello and Discord. Sign up by entering your name, email, and password, or use Google or Facebook for quicker access. Once you're in, click Create a new scenario. In the search bar, type Trello and select it. Now choose your trigger, for example, watch cards to detect when a new card is added. Then connect your Trello account by logging in. Next, click the plus icon to add another module. Search for Discord and select an action like Create a Message. Connect your Discord account, choose the server and channel, then customize the message you want to send, like notifying your team whenever a new Trello card is added. Once you're done, hit save and optionally run once to test it. You can even schedule how often this automation runs.